Guys, what's up? It's your girl Sasha E. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, you guys, I am going to be doing a skincare review. You guys know I love to bring you guys skincare content. So I'm going to be doing a skincare review with the Mighty Patch Face from Hero Cosmetics. So I know a lot of you guys may be familiar with the Mighty Patch by itself, which is just a little hydrocolloid patch that you place on your pimples, and overnight it does a lot of work with removing all that gunk, bacteria, oil, and all that bad stuff from your pores. But you guys, they have formulated the Mighty Patch Face to provide a lot more coverage for really targeting those acne areas and extracting all that gunk out of several areas on your face. So you're able to use it on your forehead. You have 2 for your cheeks, 1 for your nose, and 1 for your chin. Y'all, this is exciting. So I'm very excited to use this. So it comes with 5 hydrocolloid patches. And if you guys don't know what hydrocolloid is it provides a skin barrier on your skin to really protect that area of breakout. And while it is protecting that area, it is working to really extract all that gunk, all that dirt, all that oil, all that bacteria out of your pores, you guys, to give you a more refined look. So usually it is best to use this like overnight, because you do have to leave the patches on for 6 to 8 hours for it to be most effective. So you add it on the night before, and then in the morning, you're able to remove the patch and really see all that dirt and all that gunk on the patch. So this is definitely a treat. So as far as my skin, you guys, I've been super vulnerable on my channel about my acne woes, you guys. I've shown you guys pictures of my skin at its worst. And over the years, I've been trying very hard to ensure that my skin does not get back to that place. But now that it's the springtime and the summertime, I do find myself getting a lot more pimples because I have a very oily skin, you guys, very oily skin, and my body just produces a lot more oils during the hotter months. So I do find myself to have a lot more clogged pores during this time. And I do have a bad habit of kind of picking at my pimples, you guys. It's like one of my worst habits, but I do it, you know, 100% transparency. But with the hydrocolloid patches, I don't have to do that. I'm able to add the patches to my face and have the patches do the work for me without me damaging my actual skin. So let's get into the Mighty Patch Face, and let me tell you guys all about it, what it has. So as I said, it's 100% hydrocolloid, and it comes with 5 different patches, as you guys can see. So it comes with 1 for your forehead, 2 for your cheeks, 1 for your nose, and 1 for your chin. As far as the application process, you guys, it is best to cleanse your face before using this. So my face is already cleansed. I did not add anything to my face after cleansing it. And also I did forgot to mention, this is for oily and combination skin. So let me open this up, show you guys how it looks. Okay. So it comes with all 5 patches. It also tells you what it's for. So as you guys can see up close, this is for the cheek. They tell you this one is for your chin. This one is for your nose. And this one is for your forehead. So they make it super easy and letting you guys know where the patches go so that you guys are not confused. It also comes with a little pamphlet letting you guys know the directions. So it says to prep your face, so wash your face. For best results, exfoliate too. It helps to loosen up pore gunk. Make sure your skin is totally dry. So my skin is totally dry. And then it says to start with the nose patch. Peel the stiff backing off first, exposing the sticky side of the patch. Hold the clear tabs to align the patch with your nose. Stick it on, smooth it in place, and remove the film. It says place the other patches, apply the rest of the patches on your forehead, cheeks, and chin. Leave on for 6 to 8 hours, you guys. So that's why I said it's best to maybe go take a nap or go to bed and then use this. So it says to chill out, sleep, read, you do you, okay? And once it's time, peel the patches off slowly. Hello, clean pores. So this is really nice. It also has like a little caution down here, and it says for external use only, avoid contact with facial hair. Peel off slowly in the direction of hair growth. Stop using and ask a doctor if irritation occurs. Keep out of the reach of children. So yeah, just a little information, a little pamphlet right here. Also, you guys, it is recommended that you guys can use this 1 to 2 times per month. All right guys, so let the application begin. So I am gonna start with my nose. I'm gonna follow directions. So I am going to find the one that says nose right here. And then I'm gonna open that up. Pretty easy. I'm gonna put it on my nose and I'm gonna press it in. And then I'm gonna just peel it up. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And then I'm just gonna smooth it in, especially right here. There you go. So it feels pretty good on, you guys. I love that it's clear as well. It feels really, really nice. It feels like I have a sticker on my face, to be honest. That's the best way I can explain the feeling. And then now I'm gonna place the others on my face. So now I'm gonna move on to my chin, you guys. So this is the one for my chin. So I love how much coverage this actually provides for me. So as you guys can see, I have whiteheads all right here and I have my pimple here. This is enough coverage to really cover all of that. So I'm loving that. So this is the look after applying the patches on my skin, you guys. So to be honest, it feels like I have thin stickers on my face. Like I feel it like right here. The cheek one, I don't really feel. I don't feel the forehead or the nose. I only feel the one on my chin. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna just hang out for 6 to 8 hours. I may take a nap, I might do some things, I don't know. So for about 8 hours, I'm gonna leave this on, and then of course I'm gonna come back to you and show you guys the final results, so definitely stay tuned. All right guys, so your girl is back. It has been 8 hours, and it is finally time to peel back the mighty patches, okay? So let me just get up close and personal to you guys so you guys can see some of the gunk that is present underneath these patches. Like, y'all look at my nose. Oh, it's looking a little disgusting. Let's not lie. Look at my nose, you guys. Look at all that gunk. Look at, even like right here, y'all, look at all of that. Even my chin. Remember earlier I told you guys that I had a pimple right here. That pimple has popped. And I told you guys that I have whiteheads that are constantly like right here. Look at all that white stuff. Look at all that. You guys, this is definitely a must-have. Like, I legit have not peeled it back yet, and you can already see all the gunk that has come up from out of my pores. So I am gonna get started with my nose. Okay, we're gonna get a little up close and personal. We're gonna peel this back, okay? So we're gonna start from here. We're gonna peel it this way. Look at all that stuff, you guys. Oh my goodness. Look at all of that. Look at all that gunk. Oh my goodness. I cannot believe that came out of my nose. Oh my goodness. So as you guys can see, there is a ton of just gunk on this patch. So I'm just gonna peel it back. Wow. That is disgusting. And you can also see the oil as well. I feel like the camera isn't picking it up as well as I would like for it to. But let me get up close and personal with it. There you go. So you guys can see the oil like over here. And then all those like whiteheads and stuff that was in my nose. And some more oil on this side. Look at that, you guys. crazy. That's just from my nose oil. Again, just a lot of oil, you guys. Just a lot of oils. There's some gunk in this one as well, but just not as much as my nose. But you definitely see it. This one is quite gross as well too. Almost as gross as my nose. My skin looks great though, you guys. Look at it. Wow. There's definitely a little glow going on. But yeah, look at this one, you guys. Yeah, this one is from my chin. There's a lot of gunk in this one. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna just go to the bathroom really quickly. I'm gonna wash my face with a gentle cleanser, and then I'm gonna come back, apply my moisturizer, and close out the video. Alright guys, so I am back. I just got done washing my face, you guys, and as you guys can see, my face looks quite good, very radiant, you guys, and it feels really nice. Like, my skin feels really clean, and I really like that about this. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to add the Hero Clear Collective. This is their clarifying prebiotic moisturizer, you guys. I'm going to add that to my skin. I'm just gonna work it in. Alright guys, so I am back, and I did want to show you guys my skin. You guys, my skin looks so amazing. The glow is there, okay? The glow is there. It's definitely given radiant skin, okay? I am loving the way that my skin looks, and I'm also feeling the way that it feels, you guys. It feels so nice and clean. It also feels very lightweight and also very breathable, you guys. It really feels like I had a super intensive face mask on. Like, it is given everything that it's supposed to give, you guys. So if you guys are liking the way that my skin looks, or you liked any of the products that I mentioned in today's video, definitely check my description box. I will have a code down there for you guys to get some money off if you guys would like to test out the products. Also, you guys, if you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. I also do enjoy reading y'all's feedback, so definitely leave me a comment or any questions that you have down below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. I do post multiple times per week, so definitely turn on your bell so you don't miss an upload from me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.